Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Forky review is probably one of the most exciting toy reviews I've done in a while. Forky, the lovable spork-turned-toy from Toy Story, has captured the hearts of kids and adults alike. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Forky products, exploring everything from plushies to action figures, and everything in between. Get ready to discover which Forky toy reigns supreme. Number 5. Disney Pixar Toy Story Creativity Set. This set is packed with themed coloring sheets, stickers, and markers featuring Woody, Buzz Lightyear, and all their friends. It's a great way to spark creativity. Everything kids need to create, color, decorate, and play is included. This kit has it all, whether they're at home or on the go. The compact and portable set keeps children entertained during trips. It is perfect for flights, car rides, or any time they need a fun activity. Looking for the perfect gift? This is ideal for birthday presents, party favors, or Easter baskets. It is also great for rainy day creativity. Designed for young children, this set uses high-quality materials. It features officially licensed Disney Pixar artwork, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. What we like? This kit is an all-in-one solution, providing everything your kids need for creative fun. It's perfect for keeping them entertained on the go. If you're looking for a convenient and safe activity set for travel or home, this is a great choice. What people say. I was very happy to see it came without the molding clay. I like the rubbery hard plastic it comes with sticky like glue on the eyes. The feet are really snug in the pre-cut sockets, so there was no need for glue there. The wax eyebrows and mouth we did also, but a small amount of glue that took some finessing and very little almost cooled down glue as to not melt the wax, but we got it. Number 4. Fork Creativity Set, 100 DIY Craft Pack. This amazing set comes with everything you need for fun crafts. It includes pipe cleaners, popsicle sticks, sporks, and googly eyes. It's perfect for sparking imagination. Inside, you'll find 100 red pipe cleaners, popsicle sticks, sporks, and 200 googly eyes. The googly eyes are adhesive, so you can easily stick them on your creations. The set uses soft and light PP pom-poms and durable pipe cleaners. The googly eyes are plastic, and the popsicle sticks are made of wood. It's all designed for safe and creative play. The pipe cleaners are 0.6 cm x 30 cm, and the googly eyes come in 2 sizes. The popsicle sticks are 9.3 cm x 1 cm, and the sporks are 13.5 cm x 3 cm. They are perfect for all your crafting needs. This set encourages creativity and play with simple materials. It brings you and your kids much fun. It's a great way to spend quality time together. This kit saves you time and effort. You don't have to gather materials, and you can make multiple toy forks with each set. It's a fantastic value for hours of fun. What we like? This set provides a large variety of craft materials, perfect for sparking creativity. It encourages kids to create their own Forky toys without the hassle of gathering supplies. If you enjoy crafting with your kids and want a cost-effective way to do it, this set is ideal. What people say. Great for kid projects. You just need your own glue. All I've got to say, everyone loved these at our Toy Story party. We used Play-Doh to assemble its feet. Fun gift for birthday party. Kids loved it. Number 3. Disney Pixar Forky Toy Story 4 Flatware Set. Introducing the Disney Pixar Forky Flatware Set. This set is perfect for kids and features their favorite character. It makes mealtime fun and exciting for everyone. The flatware set features comfortable rubber handles. This design ensures a secure grip for little hands, making it easy to use. Made from durable stainless steel, this set is built to last. It's designed to withstand daily use and is resistant to rust and corrosion. This flatware set is completely BPA-free, ensuring it's safe for your child. You can have peace of mind knowing that it's free from harmful chemicals. Cleaning up is a breeze with this dishwasher-safe set. Simply put it in the dishwasher after use, and it's ready for the next meal. It saves you time and effort. What we like? This flatware set is designed with rubber handles and stainless steel, making it durable and safe for kids. It's also dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for busy parents. If you are looking for a practical and easy-to-clean utensil set for your little ones, consider this. What people say. These are great. My son loves them and they have survived many washes through the dishwasher. These are my son's go-to when it's time to eat. Well-made silverware for littles. My son loves Toy Story and loves using these utensils. They're fun, bright colors that make breakfast, lunch, and dinner time awesome. Number 2. Funko Pop. Disney, Toy Story 4, Forky. Looking to expand your collection? This unique vinyl display piece is a great addition to your Funko Pop figures. Seek out other rare and exclusive collectibles to complete your set. Trust in the expertise of Funko, the premier creator of pop culture merchandise. They offer a wide variety of items, including vinyl figures, action toys, and apparel. Made from high-quality, durable vinyl, this collectible is built to last. It can withstand daily wear, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment for fans and collectors. Collect and display all your favorite Disney characters. This item is a must-have for any Toy Story or Funko Pop enthusiast. This item is the perfect gift for any fan. It's a great way to show off your love for the movie. Get yours today. What we like. This Funko Pop figure is a great way to expand your collection. Made from premium vinyl, it's built to last. If you like collecting unique and iconic pop culture items, this Forky figure is a must-have. What people say. Forky is a great toy. It is well made and looks just like the character in the movie. My kids love it. Number 1. Disney Pixar Toy Story 4 Forky 18-inch plush. Introducing Forky, the lovable spork from Toy Story 4. This officially licensed plush captures all of his quirky charm. It's perfect for any fan. This Forky plush features excellent character detail, just like in the movie. You'll instantly recognize him. It's a must-have for any Toy Story collection. Standing at 18 inches tall, this Forky is the perfect size for cuddles and play. He's big enough to make a statement, but still easy to carry around. Bring the adventures of Toy Story 4 to life. This Forky plush is perfect for recreating your favorite scenes. Let your imagination run wild. This toy is recommended for ages 3 and up. It's a great gift for any young Toy Story fan. Get ready for hours of fun with this adorable Forky plush. What we like. This plush toy captures Forky's character detail perfectly, and it's a great size for cuddling and play. It's perfect for acting out scenes from the movie. If you like soft toys and want a cuddly version of Forky, you'll love this. What people say. It's huge. Almost 2 feet tall. It's soft but sturdy. His arms are bendable and posable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.